is there like a, how do you know, is there a certain number of how many put on there or what?
Got toggle switches on there. You got how long the number is. Based on that, it's going to be 6 pounds on the string.